Gold and silver traded bullish again, and gold specifically has now hit the record levels at 2677. Yes, it is breaking the highs every day, while silver is also not falling far behind. It has now seen the recent highs and has hit the levels at 32 52 levels. Yes, these are almost 11 years high what we are seeing for silver. So what to expect now? Big day today. We have lot much of data coming in from US, and later in the day we have Chairman Powell's. It will definitely add lot much to the volatility. So how to profit, where to enter, where to exit trading gold and silver, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. First, gold followed with silver. Watch till the end, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed understanding, detailed analysis with clear entry points and proper reasoning for where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, to look into gold followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the early charts of gold, see the rise here, the consolidation, see taking the support from the 20 period moving average, now again trying to bounce back, and it has done it successfully. We have seen it hitting the highs here at 2677, 78. Now you can see this red line coming in. This is the channel in which it is trying to trade, coming in from the last highs where we had seen a spike, and then now this is spike. So it is almost hitting the top of it. We have to be careful at around 2678 80 zone. This is going to remain critical for gold. As long as it stays below this, we have to be watchful. Once it stays above 2680 and then 85, we can look forward to the next target at 2695. In fact, higher levels are also possible. Stochastic back to overbought levels. MACD rising sharp after the crossover, looking upwards, staying bullish, delivering higher highs. RSI back to overbought zone, coming to the two. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, almost at the cusp of the channel here, and yes, it is. This is the channel in which it is trying to trade. The lows of this channel now at around 2660, 2656 zone. This is the zone it needs to break in order to turn bearish. As long as gold stays above this, we should not be treating this as bearish here. Very, very clear. And if at all any break you see below 2650, you can treat this as a reversal, and then a sharp drop can be seen. Right now, the stance is very much strongly bullish here for gold. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here for the buys, trying to stay bullish. RSI overbought here as well. Coming to 3. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, you can see higher lows and higher highs are seen here, consistently delivering. And now you can see the top of the channel now somewhere here at around 26 90 95 zone. Possibility is there that if it stays about 2680 and 85, we can look forward to 2695. In fact, 2700 levels are also possible. But I do see that it is getting into an overbought zone, and chances of a reversal also increases from such levels. You have to be careful with the buys, specifically as it is hitting record highs. The chances of reversal also increases here. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic entering into overbought zone. MACD trying to cross over here for the buys, and this crossover can lead to complete reversal and a further rise. RSI overbought here as well. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. A very good support here is formed now at 2660 56 zone, and this zone is definitely something you should watch out for. If gold starts to retrace and it breaches this zone, we can expect further drop, and any drop below 2650 is a clear sign of reversal. Else it is still trading bullish, looking upwards, consistently delivering higher highs, higher lows. The highs now at around 2685 95 levels, going to remain a greater resistance zone. Stochastic rising, MACD also now trying to cross over for a buy, and this could lead to further rise, though this is coming at a higher levels and the scope on the upside appears to be very much limited. RSI is staying overbought here. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who are new to the channel, and those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, global presence, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, gold is trading here bullish. Higher highs, higher lows are seen, and you can see the next highs appears to be at around 2685 95 levels. And if you just check on the preceding candle, it is a swing candle here, and today it has already delivered higher highs and higher lows. So now at the current zone between 78 and 80, we have to be careful here with the buys. If you look at the formation here, see the size of this candle. almost a $30 move here, 30 to $40 including the tail and wick. And if you include this from here, it appears the highs at around 26.85.95 zone. This zone is going to remain critical. Yes, it is achievable. Yes, it is going to remain critical. But again, first it has to break beyond now 26.78.80 zone. It is going to remain a greater resistance zone. Stochastic extremely overbought here. MACD divergent and bullish and looking upwards. RSI extremely overbought. So now, looking at the charts and indicators, I will recommend you to buy here at 26.80.5, 80.6 levels, expected to move towards 26.85.86 first, then 26.94.95 levels. The second, beyond 26.94.95 is where the bulls are waiting, and you can look forward to a stronger rise towards 26 or 2703 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. And remember, the swings definitely would be there, as we have the data coming in from US, which will definitely impact. Then the Chairman Powell's speech, which will also going to add much to the volatility. And hence, looking at this, you have to be trading with caution. So on the downside, where to sell? I will only recommend you to sell now at 26.68.67 zone, below which you can expect 26.62.60 as the first target zone, 26.56.57 as the next. And if it drops below this, you can look forward to 26.50.52. Any drop below 26.50.52 is a sign of reversal. Any drop below 26.50.52 is a sign of reversal. We can look forward to 26.40. And if it drops below 26.40, stay short. We are looking forward to a greater down move towards 26.20 levels also possible. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at now. Since silver in the trade now has hit 11 years high levels, it has already breached the levels which we had seen in the recent past, 32.52. It has already seen the highs beyond this, and now it is still continuing on the upside. You can see straight greener candles rise, retracement taking the support from the 20 period, a rise. Now it has come to the zone here 32 50 60, which is going to hold a major role. Beyond this 32.80, and then we can look forward to 33.10, 33.20 levels as well. Yes, if it continues to rise, breaches beyond 32.80, you can look forward to a move towards 33.10, 33.20 levels as well. Right now the stance is very much bullish, but I can see straight greener candles calls for couple of red candles as well. Thus you have to be careful. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD rising here. RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, straight greener candles. A flat base is seen now. See the flat base here. Thus 31.80 is going to remain the support which it needs to break. Any drop below 31.80 is the only sign you can say that silver is turning bearish. As long as it stays above 31.80, we should not be treating this as bearish. Yes, there could be swings. Yes, there could be a little drop towards 32, 32.20 levels, but I will say that is a retracement, not a reversal here. And till 32.60 here on the upside, we have to be watchful. Beyond this, I will look forward to 32.80 levels. Stochastic overbought. MACD crossed over, trying to trade with divergence, staying bullish. RSI rising here. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts here, similar observation here. Rise, retracement to the 20 period, and again a rise. And if you connect the dots here, this also, see the highs here are possible towards this zone at 32.80 levels, and from this zone a possible retracement towards 20 period can be expected. Right now the stance is very much bullish, and we can look forward to a move towards 32.80, beyond which more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic back to overbought levels. MACD divergent and bullish, rising here. RSI rising as well. And on the 4 hour chart, the observation is similar: rise, retracement, and rise again, looking upwards. If you connect the dots, it appears we can see a move towards 32.80, $33 levels, which is very much feasible. And if you look at the move here, see a very strong support is now created at 31.8. If you divide this into two, rise, retracement, rise, and the higher it moves towards 32.8, 33, the chances of a move again on the downside exist strong, where it can show you a swing towards $32 levels here. Be watchful there. Yes, a swing cannot be denied. Stochastic entering into overbought zone. MACD rising, RSI overbought here. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, look at the move here: rise, retracement, and now it is on the upward. If you look at this candle size, it appears if it starts to deliver similar size of candle, it can in fact, breaching beyond 33.10, can move towards 33.40 levels as well, delivering similar size of candle here. But I can say definitely silver is entering into a zone of overbought levels, where the pullback is also going to be equally strong. The stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising. So now we can buy here at 3270 levels, expect 3285, 33 as the first target level. Then we can expect 3325, 3340 as the next target levels. Possibility is there that it can keep moving towards this zone, though it also increases the risk because see, increasing candle size calls for a stronger reversal here on the hourly charts. Let's watch out at see, first of all, 3285, 33 zone is achievable, and second, it is going to remain a greater resistance, greater hurdle for silver on the upside. So yes, on the downside, now where to sell? I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying now below 3230 levels, where you can take a sell entry. Expect 3205, $32 levels as the first target zone, or rather I will say 3210, $32 levels as the first, 3180 as the second. Only and only if you see silver trading below 3180, you can take a selling position. You can say that it is reversed and we can look forward to a greater correction here. As long as it stays above 3180, we should be cautious here with the sells. Be watchful of this. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week, trading day ahead. Thank